What up, everybody? Bitcoin's currently trading at $69,479. Definitely not a bad spot. We had a wick up to like 73 and some change, and that was really nice. Yeah, it was a relatively nice week in crypto. Hopefully you guys took some profits so that you can buy back in on this little bit of a retracement. Yeah, next week is going to be a fun week in crypto. We have the election, and then we also have our rate increase, most likely looking at 25 basis points or 0.25%. So this could also be pricing in that. So we could expect a little bit deeper retracement next week. But yeah, you know, it's crypto. Trading bot video is still coming. Do not sell your bots. This is exactly what we want while we have our trading bots running. But yeah. So today we have a new spec mine for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how to get it set up. Mining Windows Hive OS. We're going to run through the jam like usual. Hopefully relatively quick because I am tired, but this coin came out today and I want to get it out to you guys as early as possible. So go ahead, like, subscribe, comment down below. It helps out the channel, helps me keep making these videos for you guys. Let's get into it. So the project we're going to be going over today is, did I not pull up the website? No, I did not. This is going to be FortuneBlock. The first very big issue and problem I have with this project is they don't have a dark mode. Just don't have white backgrounds for your websites, but as you know, they put very little effort into most of these websites, so you can't really, yeah. Another payment solution that's not useful when you're competing against things like Litecoin and Caspa, so it'll probably do nothing. Fair launch, no pre-mine, no instant mine, no dev fee. Yeah, they're using the mic algorithm. Don't know anything about that. Their roadmap is probably one of every project, except they're kind of hoping they can do this and then go straight to there. Yeah, real fun. They have some fake AI generated pictures. Yeah, that's the thing. Name FortuneBlock, ticker FTB. Total supply is going to be 260 million. Initial block reward of 500. Halving time every 260,000 blocks. Block time of 2 minutes. For their algo, it says Fortune, but it's mic everywhere else, so I don't know about that. They do have smart nodes, and they have a lucky miner, 5% to a lucky miner, 20% smart node, 75% to miner, 60,000 for smart node collateral, which, yeah, that block reward is going to be really fun trying to get, unless you get on relatively early. We don't care about any of that. It's CPU mineable. So yeah, let's get it set up. First thing first, the pool we're going to be using, of course, our favorite pool, our plant, because this pool is really good about getting these like coins relatively early. There's 3 miners you can use. Before we get to that, you're going to want to come over here to your download the wallet. I'll have it linked down in the description, or maybe I won't. We'll see what happens. Also, before I go any further, there are like a whole lot of you who watch this video and don't like, subscribe, or comment. If you guys want to keep getting these videos, you should do that. Or like, what's the point? Just go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, make sure you guys do all that. It helps support the channel. If you want to get the content a little bit earlier, have a little bit more insight to what kind of content I put out, make sure to check out my Patreon. Kind of dead right now, but I'm trying to do stuff in it, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, here you can download either the QT wallet, which is like the normal GUI wallet that we go over here, or the CLI wallet if you want to deal with that. Either of them will work. Make sure you download them somewhere safe. This thing could like blow out your computer, hack all your stuff, and ruin your life. These projects are not secure, safe, and 9 times out of 10 don't do anything. But spec mines are fun because you get that one that like pops off relatively well, and it's kind of worth it. So download your wallet, and then we go over to our plant. You're going to pick your miner. I'm going to be using SRB miner. I was reading in their Discord, you can GPU mine if you run it on Wild Rig. I have no desire to do that, so we're not going to set it up. And you're supposed to use XMRig CC. Not sure what that is. So yeah, SRB miner is the way to go. Go ahead. We're going to start on Windows, Stratum, America, paste in your wallet, name your worker. I always turn off the SSL. Don't really need that. Way above my pay grade to learn what it is. So I'm going to come over to SRB miner. Go ahead, just find any random file, copy, rename it. I rename this one FTB. You're going to go over to edit. Then you're just going to come down. Oop, what? Where'd it go? Come down and just copy your from SRB miner all the way down. Actually, don't do that. Well, okay, so you can, but if you do pick a CPU algorithm or a coin that already has this command, the disable GPU, or it's either going to be disable GPU or disable CPU. You're going to want to disable GPU. I have not tested it on my GPU, but I mean, my GPUs are doing other things right now, so I'm just going to let it CPU mine. But yeah, so you can just make sure you have that command. You guys can test out GPU mining, but I don't know anything about this algorithm, so yeah. But go ahead, get all your things pasted in there, get your pool, your stratum, all that. Make sure you have your wallet.worker name. Go ahead, file, save, and then you should all be set up, ready to go. And then for Hive OS, folks, we'll get that set up for you. You're going to go over to your Hive, do your wallet, like always, add wallet, name it FTB, FortuneBlock, turd coin, whatever. Paste in your address, make sure to name your wallet, and then create wallet. Go over to your flight sheet, coin ticker, whatever you named it, and then your wallet, configure pool and miner. For the miner, we're going to be using SRB miner. Set up miner config. For the algorithm, we're going to do mic, which weird, wallet dot worker, and then I always just copy worker over plug-in device config. You're going to want to do disable GPU, or at least that's what I did. And then you're going to want to come, not that. You're going to want to come and get your stratum and pool. And then, why is that in my way? Copy that right over. Go to apply changes. Don't forget to name your flight sheet. I have a really bad habit of not doing that, and it is quite annoying. Go ahead, create flight sheet. It should be up and running. As far as hash rates, I have right now only 2 CPUs that I had running on it for a short bit. I think my Ryzen 7 7900X with Windows was getting about 7 kilohash, around that, and it is not overclocked because Windows blew out, whole story. And so yeah, and then I have this Ryzen 7 3800 XT, and that's getting about 1.4. So yeah. Also, soon we're going to do a video on hash rate rentals, just because, like, at this point, it may just be easier to drop $5 or whatever on a spec mine to do it. I'll still go through and do the setup, but that could be a interesting way of doing more spec mines and whatnot. So yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below. Also, comment down below what you guys are mining on your AMD GPUs right now, because I have a couple not mining, want to get them mining, don't know what to mine on them. I was running Block X, have a decent bag of that now, so kind of looking out for the next spec mine for the AMD cards. That's about it for this video. You guys have a nice day, night, whatever, and peace out.